They thought that ballet was like the Coon Carnival, dancing in the street. So I had to take hold of holding on the window and to do my pliés and to do my tendus and to show the exercise of swinging my leg up and down and to stretch on the bar. They were intrigued. And then I was able to do pirouettes in the center and promenading in arabesque and do all sorts of movement. And they thought it was so beautiful. They'd never seen anything like that. So they told my mother that Johar must promise us not to forget his religion. And that I promised my parents, and which I upheld all my life while I was in England.
How old were you when you appeared before these imams?
I was about 12.
Die Queen Mother was iemand wat baie van jou gehou het as danser.
Ja.
Enige iets wat jy met my wil deel, die tipe, het jy ooit interaction met haar gehad, byvoorbeeld sit van na?
Oh ja, baie. You look at the opposite face, and lo and behold, she came and stood next to me. And she said, I noticed that you're not toasting the Queen with champagne. Because I said, I want orange juice. I was sweating. And I said, oh, Your Majesty, I am just trying to be a good Muslim. She put her hand on my shoulder and she said, my great admiration. And everybody was watching me. Oh my God, and I thought, just as well, it was carpets on the floor. Otherwise, they would have seen the sweat coming up.